Let's test cheap versus expensive milkshakes. Right, so today we're going to be testing cheap versus expensive milkshakes. We've got our cheap ice cream here, which costs around £1. I've got our expensive ice cream here, which costs over £3. Let's get started making our cheap option and then move on to the expensive after. Start off, let's get our ice cream into our blender here. It's quite melted already. Next up goes our milk. For this we paid 85p. Now blend. Top it off with cream. We'll get a maraschino cherry on top. And obviously a few sprinkles. For our expensive, we've got this traditional dairy ice cream, so let's see what it's like. Ooh, it's a little melty as well, so let's get some of that in. Next thing goes our fancy milk. Mustn't forget our vanilla pod seeds, we'll get those in. Let's get some whipping cream into a bowl now, and we'll add in some date syrup. Now we'll soak some cherries in Johnny Walker Black Label. Obviously, we can't forget our grated Toblerone. Right, so we've got 2 milkshakes here. Let's try a cheap option first. I do actually slightly prefer the cheap option because it's much closer to the idea of a milkshake in something being simple, sweet, and fun. I think this is a bit too complicated, so I actually prefer the cheap on this one. Cheap wins! Very cool!